Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day guys. In this video I'm talking about YGG token guys, Yield Gulid Games token. I will share the whole update, what surprise changes occur in the YGG token. I will show you. But guys, before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos guys. So first of all guys, if we talk about the right now price of YGG token, so the right now price is about 5.19% changes occur in a YGG token guys. And furthermore, if you study the Chinese update, so approximately negative 4% the price of YGG token are completely going completely and the loss guys. So what should we do in right now situation and how we can save ourselves from loss? Guys, I believe that there's the only way to save yourself from loss is holding guys. For instance, if you decide to sell YGG token, so now the right now price is about 5 USD dollars. So 5 USD dollar is very low price. Obviously, if you sell on 5 USD dollar YGG token, so you lose your money and waste. So that's why guys I recommend for you to please hold for a long time guys. Anyways, what is your prediction? What is your update? Please also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel.